are pleased to show you
2020 Toyota Corolla Hybrid. The Toyota Corolla Hybrid provides exactly what you're looking for in a functional yet efficient vehicle. An abundance of new technology features, a stylish exterior design, and an extremely quiet ride will provide a relaxing driving experience.
This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, security system, power windows, electronic stability control, rear window defroster, trip computer, tachometer, panic alarm, remote keyless entry, brake assist, overhead console, driver vanity mirror, tilt steering wheel, front bucket seats, front reading lamps, wheel locks. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.